Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to go over some of the pricing for Zyro. Zyro is a really popular website builder, and we've done a few videos on Zyro going over how to build and how to create with it, but in today's video I'm going to talk a little bit more about their free versus their paid plans. So without further ado, let's get started. So as mentioned before, Zyro is a website builder, and it's designed for users of all skill levels, from complete beginners to experienced web developers, and its main focus is on being an easy-to-use website builder and providing everything you need to create a professional-looking website without coding. Some of their key features is the ease of use, drag-and-drop interface, pre-designed templates, and AI-powered tools. All of these tools make it really easy to use Zyro. They do have an e-commerce store builder, they have mobile-friendly websites, marketing tools, and an SEO optimizer, so they've got loads of features and loads of functionalities as well. On top of that, they have fast loading times, affordable pricing, and 24/7 customer support as well. Overall, it's a great website builder for individuals, businesses, anyone just looking for an affordable and user-friendly website builder with built-in marketing and SEO tools. Stick around till the end of this video and we'll look a little bit more about how Zyro works. In terms of their pricing, they have different pricing plans, each with different features and benefits. If you go onto Zyro's website and then go into pricing, you can see they actually do have this little pricing wizard, so they'll ask you a few questions about the site that you want to build, and then they'll suggest a plan that suits you, which is quite handy, or if not, you can just skip that altogether and see the plans. So for example, the way this wizard works, the first thing that it'll ask you is if you want to sell products on your website, and you can always upgrade later if you change your mind, but for now we'll just say no. And then it will kind of basically just go with a plan that they think will suit you. If you click on start over, you can see a little bit more. So do you plan to sell physical products, things like that? Then it'll offer a different store plan, and with every time they offer you a different plan, they will go through each of the features that come with it, that come with the plan as well, and then you can click continue to go ahead and purchase a plan or a custom domain and things like that. In terms of their actual pricing though, they have the easy to start, easy to scale plan, which is their website builder and web hosting plan. This starts at about $2.49 a month. Well, that's currently on sale. They do have a little bit more expensive renewal rates. Typically this is $12, but right now it's $2.49 a month plus 2 months free, and then $7.99 a month when you renew. So this kind of plan is ideal for personal websites, blogs, or portfolios. You get the website builder with drag and drop payments. You get the AI writer for generating website content. You can get the SSL certificate for secure browsing, mobile friendly website design. You get a gigabyte of storage and unlimited bandwidth, as well as the free .site domain for the first year. So they do have loads of features within that for the $12, currently $2 a month pricing. But something to be aware of whenever you are first purchasing a plan, that this price here is usually just like an introductory offer, and then the renewal rates are a little bit more expensive. This plan also does come with e-commerce features, and yeah, you can go in and see how their pricing really just suits for you, and then just do it that way as well. Their plan includes the e-commerce features, so you can sell online, either physical or digital, and some additional costs that may come in are things like your domain name registration, premium templates, additional storage space, things like that. Overall, their pricing is pretty standard. They have a really good introductory offer. It's just to be aware of the renewal rates as well, and see how that compares to your future budget, because there's no point in choosing a builder like this and choosing a pricing like this based on the introductory offer, because that won't be the case for going forward whenever the introductory offer is no longer an option. So you do need to think about your website needs a little bit, your budget, and your future growth. So in terms of their pricings, that's what we've gone over. compared to Zyro, though, there are several platforms that are comparable to Zyro. Each have their own strengths and weaknesses, and the best one will basically depend on your specific needs and priorities. But let's take a look at some other platforms that are comparable to Zyro and compare their pricing as well. So next up we have Squarespace, and Squarespace is similar to Zyro in that it's a really popular website builder known for its beautiful design templates, strong e-commerce features, and robust CMS tools as well. A lot of their designs are quite stunning. They boast award-winning templates across various styles and industries, and they have built-in SEO tools, built-in e-commerce tools as well. And it's a really good website builder platform that's been around for a while now. In terms of their pricing, though, you could say it's a little bit more costly than Zyro. So with Squarespace, you have the 4 pricing plans. You've got the personal all the way up to e-commerce. So the cheapest plan being around £12 a month, with the most expensive plan being around £35 a month. And that's if you were to pay annually. Paying monthly is a little bit more expensive. So if you pay annually, you save about 25%. Or 18% across the board. But what you get from all of them is that you get a domain name, SSL certificate, social media integration, blog, things like that. And then with the more expensive plans, you get slightly more, things like the advanced website analytics, and then the 2 commerce plans as well. You've got basic commerce and advanced commerce. So if you are an e-commerce plan, or if you are an e-commerce business, you will need to use one of these plans, and that means you're starting off at either £23 or £35 a month annually. Again, so compared to Zyro, it's a little bit more expensive. Zyro is significantly cheaper at every tier, even with its unlimited feature pack priced lower than Squarespace entry-level personal plan. But Squarespace offers more features overall, especially in its higher tier plans with advanced e-commerce tools, analytics, and marketing options. Zyro excels in ease of use and value for basic websites and small online stores. But you could say that Squarespace is also quite easy to use as well. We've done a few videos on Squarespace and how to use them, so be sure to check our channel for more videos about how to use Squarespace. And you can see also Squarespace offers a bit more customization options with greater flexibility and control, and Zyro is more focused on a user-friendly experience with less granular control. Squarespace, I would say, is ideal for design-conscious businesses, bloggers, and e-commerce. And then Zyro would be really good for beginners, freelancers, and small businesses. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your priorities. If affordability and ease of use are a key factor for you, Zyro is a great choice. But if you do prioritize design, advanced features, and greater customization, Squarespace might be a better investment. But it is a bit more of a expensive platform. What's good about Zyro and Squarespace is that they both offer free trials. Zyro will offer you full 30 days free, whereas Squarespace you only get about 2 weeks, 14 days, which is a lot shorter, but you still get some free trial use out of it, so you can trial them both and see which platform works best for you before committing to a plan. But yeah, compared to Zyro, Squarespace is a little bit more expensive, but you do get a lot more out of it for what you're paying for. So it's up to you to kind of weigh out the pros and cons of each and see which one actually goes well for you as well. So next up we have Wix, which is another well-known website builder alongside Squarespace and Zyro. It offers its own unique set of strengths and weaknesses to consider. With Wix, they cater to a wide range of users, from complete beginners to app building personal websites to established businesses setting up online stores that are a little bit more complex, or even creating interactive platforms. Wix has a vast array of built-in features and functionalities, including SEO tools, marketing solutions, email marketing, analytics, scheduling, booking events, and so much more. I would say they surpass even more than what Squarespace offers. They have an extensive library of high-quality templates and design tools, empowering users to create visually stunning and highly customized websites. They offer a multitude of integrations with third-party apps and services, and it can scale alongside your business as well. They've got dedicated plans with advanced features for larger websites and high traffic volume. So yeah, you can see there's a lot of great things about Wix, and if you're interested to learn more, go ahead and click through our channel. We've got loads of videos about Wix, including Wix Studio, Wix Editor, Wix ADI, and you can take a better look at what Wix has to offer. But in terms of pricing, Wix pricing can be a little bit more expensive, especially if you are an e-commerce website. Their website pricing is categorized into website and then business and e-commerce. So you've got kind of the basic website light plan, which is about $7.50 a month, which isn't too bad. It's actually cheaper than Squarespace, but it's quite limited. So you got your custom domain, free domain for 1 year, 24 customer care, things like that. If you compare plan features, you can see exactly what you get. So storage space is quite low, the video hours are quite low, forms, fields for forms, all of that is quite limited in the light plan. But if you are a basic website, that might be okay. However, if you are a e-commerce website, then you are looking at a minimum of £14 a month for basic e-commerce. And again, if you compare to plan features, you can see exactly the e-commerce platform, what you're getting out of it, what you're not getting out of it, and things like that. So you need to be really careful, especially if you are an e-commerce one. If you are a more complex e-commerce platform, then you're looking at quite high pricing, for about £119 a month for advanced e-commerce features. And you can see again exactly what that entails. You get a lot of features for your e-commerce, but it is quite high of pricing as well. Is Wix the right choice for you? It's a great choice if you are an individual seeking a versatile platform with extensive features and customization options. Compared to something like Squarespace, while it is cheaper than Squarespace might help you a bit more on the design front because their designs are quite good and modern. However, if you are an e-commerce business,